You want to know how I come up with this drink here made with apple cider vinegar to help facilitate all the weight loss? Stay here. We're gonna talk about this amazing drink right here. Today I want to bring to you a few things you need to start adding into your apple cider vinegar as soon as possible to facilitate weight loss and to help you shrink the fat, especially around your stomach area. Guys, this has helped me. This has really helped me. So if you have not already subscribed, do me a favor and click on that red button there, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you know when I upload a video. Without wasting much of your time, we are going to dive into making this amazing drink that is going to help facilitate your apple cider vinegar to work better. Say bye-bye to the apple cider vinegar. Will also destroy the enamel of your teeth. So these few things that we're going to add into the apple cider vinegar will make everything to work better for you. So let's dive down into making the video. So to make this awesome, amazing drink, of course, we need our ACV, apple cider vinegar with mother. I will use 2 tablespoons of ACV, 1, 2, in a glass of water. This water is lukewarm. Make sure your water is lukewarm. We're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon will help to boost up your metabolic rate and balance your blood sugar. Next thing we need is cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is the catalyst of this drink that we're making. It is the thing that is really going to fire up your digestion and help to crush up all the fat and fat cells. So I'll be putting 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper. The next thing we need is molasses. My molasses is almost finished. I have been drinking this like crazy. Yes, molasses. It's made from sugar cane and it does not have high content of calories. So 1 teaspoon of molasses, and this is why you really want to use lukewarm water so that the molasses will melt inside the water. The next thing we need here is fresh lemon. Squeezing half medium size of lemon. Lemon will not only help to crush up all the fat, it is also going to help to boost up your immunity. So the drink is all ready. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and share the video. Click on that red button and also turn on the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. Thank you for your time. You can drink this 2 times a day, and as a matter of fact, it really helps to suppress your appetite so that you don't eat much. So bye bye guys, see you in my next video.